Hello, my name is Lewis Moore, and today I'll be talking about how can instructional technologies be used to promote 21st century teaching and learning. We live in a digital age. Our students will not be the newspaper generation. Every student has the ability to view digital content via some form of device, so we need to teach them how to appropriately view literacy using a device. Additionally, instructional technologies help turn lessons into a more kinesthetic visual experience for students. I teach biology. Kids cannot conceptualize what a cell looks like on their own. Therefore, it's helpful to have technology to show them models of cells. Many topics are discussed in global online communities. Students have the ability to use these global online communities to learn more about the topics that they're interested in. Additionally, instructional technologies help promote global awareness, which is an essential 21st century skill. Our students must be aware of what's going on around the planet, and thanks to technology, they have the ability to be updated on information almost instantly. Another advantage of instructional technologies is they're preparing kids with the necessary skills that they can utilize as they go to college or into the workforce. Most jobs nowadays require students to be technology literate. So we as teachers have the opportunity to prepare them with those skill sets. Instructional technologies also teach kids how to communicate and collaborate digitally in an effective and professional manner. With the use of technologies, we also have more choices for students to choose from as they select what assignment they'd be happier with doing. Student choice gives the kid an opportunity to decide what they want to do and take ownership and have pride in their work. Instructional technologies also give teachers the ability to check in on the progress that students are making throughout their assignments. Many platforms allow a teacher to log in and to see if the students are actively working. Technologies give us an opportunity to expose kids to concepts several times because we know that repetition is the father of learning and they must have a myriad of ways to see concepts. Using technology, I can also modify assignments almost effortlessly to meet the needs of my learners. Technology also gives me the opportunity to assess the learning of my students in a myriad of ways. Here are my references. Thank you for your time.